Another day of work. So the front lawn was mowed a little bit, and this part was mowed a little bit, so we don't have to traipse through 4 feet of whatever that was growing. So my job today is to find the well pipe. And the way I'm supposed to do that is I have this metal detector, and I don't know how to work it. I guess when it starts squealing, there's a pipe or something here. It's squeaking all over here, right? Remember how I said in my next life I wanted to come back as a man? I don't. I don't care. I'm going to stay a woman, and the men can deal with this crap. Whew. And they brought another dumpster. So here we are, trying to find. I think I'm gonna go deaf by the time I'm done with this. Really. It's right here. I've watched like 14 videos. I just still don't know if I have it right. Okay. I don't know if it's supposed to scream or not scream. Let me try another channel. Oh, Lord God, help me. You know, it's just like having water dripped on your forehead. I guess this is a spot of some. By the way, this is the koi pond.
Top of the well.
Yep.
So where did that come from? Right here somewhere, right?
Yay, we found it.
Yeah. I gotta find it.
You know, the tree roots might have gotten to it.
Yeah, I need to do PVC that fell into the metal well. It's stuck. I'm pretty sure you can. That's what I didn't want to break off.
Look for it.
Where am I digging here? It's a steel pipe. It's 2 inches going straight down, 80 feet down. And then this pipe is connected to the top of it with a pipe going inside of that one. I think I hooked it. Where the hell would that have? So I'm
All
gonna
right, we found it. Woohoo! We're on a roll. That is the well. What's that called? The well?
Yep, water well.
Water well. Yay. Look where we are. All right, today we are moving things out of the tiny house. Garbage, so much garbage.
keep them?
Yes, please.
Okay.
And a hand planner.
I want the rusty chain.
I'm gonna throw them over there. I'm gonna unrust them and throw them over there and hang plants on them.
Right here for now. I'll keep a couple of these big chains, like this one with a hook on it for the tractor. You can use this stuff.
Here's another one. All right, it's coming along. So much crap. These people were hoarders. If I tell you, we're on our third bin. Say hi, Jackie.
Huh?
Say hi.
Huh?
Say hi.
Hi.
Who said square tires don't work? I made it home. I'm done for today. I actually cut my pant legs off so that I could tie my hair up with my pant leg. All right, you guys, thank you for joining us. See you later. Bye-bye.